What's going on, everybody? This is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to check an FBA shipment status in the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start by opening up the Amazon Seller app. So I'm going to click on that. And then from here, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're looking for Manage FBA Shipments. So I'm going to click on Manage FBA Shipment. Third from the bottom, and then this says recent shipments within the last 30 days, and then you can select all working and ready to ship, shipped, delivered and processed, closed, or deleted and canceled. I'm just going to click all. So it shows you in the last 30 days, I've had 3 shipments that I sent to Amazon. The first one is closed. It had 32 units. The second one is in a receiving status, which means Amazon is still technically receiving the product, or they're still making sure it's all there. The third one is another 33 units, and that one is closed as well. But what if I forgot what I sent in? What if I actually want to see what's in the listing? So let's go to the first listing right here, and I'm going to click on it real quick, and then it pulls up the more information on the listing. It says the shipment ID, the shipment name, the shipment date, and then the contents. But what if I actually forgot what the contents are? If I click on contents right there, it'll pull up and show you exactly what was in the shipment. And it shows the item that it was, the shipping quantity that I said I shipped in, and then the quantity received, which is what they say they actually received. So I shipped in 32 and they received 32. So this is kind of helpful if you forget what's in your shipments, or if you're outsourcing and you're like, do I need to buy more stuff? Have my shipments already made it? What am I waiting on? Stuff like that. So it's just another helpful, handy tool to be able to check on the Amazon Seller app instead of being at your computer. So that's going to be pretty much it for today. If you find this video helpful, please consider dropping a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.